Welcome to the Sea Change news video for October 2012. I'm Ben Walsh.
I'm Peter Bowers.
These are today's headlines.
Seeking someone special, Club Late, Sea Change events.
Lennox Castle Stories Project and Sea Change volunteers.
Seeking someone special,
Peter Bowers, also known as DJ Bowers,
that's me,
was one of the stars featured in the BBC documentary Seeking Someone Special, which was aired on BBC Two Monday, the 24th of September. This was a huge event for Peter and the organisation. Peter, what was it like being on telly?
very nervous. I was a wee bit nervous, I was a wee bit scared, and I kind of got goosebumps.
Peter starred in the documentary along with a couple from Edinburgh and a young man called Richard, who is a member of the Dates and Mates from Lark Hall. They tell their stories about looking for love and a relationship. The documentary also features footage from Dates and Mates events and the launch of the inclusive club Late,
Where I DJ'd at the Arches. Sea Change events.
We have two huge events taking place this month. Firstly, on the 4th of October, there is Late, Scotland's first fully inclusive nightclub held at the Arches, Glasgow. Then we have the Sea Change 10-year celebration finale event, which is being held at the Marriott Hotel on the 13th of October. Check out our Facebook page or website for all the latest pictures, videos and testimonials of these events. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Sea Change Scotland or visit our website www.seachange.org.uk.
Lennox Castle Stories.
Our Lennox Castle Stories workshop have now come to an end, with the last of these taking place at the end of September. We have had 16 fantastic workshops taking place this year, with an incredible amount of hard work and skill going into each and every one. There has been an amazing range of art produced as well as animated videos. As well as this, we have captured many testimonials to video from the former residents and staff at Lennox Castle. You'll be able to view all this from our dedicated website, which is www.lennoxcastlestories.co.uk. Once again, a huge thank you goes out to all our wonderful participants and the coordinators at Project Ability.
Sea Change volunteers.
Would you like to make a positive difference to someone's life? Do you know someone else who would? Whatever your interest or experience, if you have something of yourself to give, we'd love to hear from you to talk over the opportunities that we have. Please contact our volunteers coordinator, Joyce Innes. You can contact Joyce on 07720 591 229 or by email joyce.ennis@sea-change.org.uk or visit the volunteer section of our website, which is under Working for Us.
Sea Change newsletter, Talk of the Town.
Find out about what we've been up to over the last few months with our newsletter, Talk of the Town. You can view this by visiting our website and clicking on our latest news and views.
This has been the Sea Change news from October 2012. I've been Peter Bowers.
I've been Ben Walsh.
Please tune in again next month when we will have the latest from Late and the clips from 10-year celebration. Bye.
Goodbye.